1. Which bird is known for its dancing? A. Swan. B. Owl. C. Peacock. D. Crow. The correct answer is C. Peacock. 2. What do we use to write on a blackboard? A. Pencil. B. Pen. C. Chalk. D. Crayon. The correct answer is C. Chalk. 3. What do you wear on your feet? A. Hat. B. Gloves. C. Shoes. D. Shirt. The correct answer is C. Shoes. 4. How many months are there in a year? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. The correct answer is C. 12. 5. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Sonia Gandhi. The correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi. 6. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. The correct answer is A. Ganga. 7. Which element is represented by the symbol O? A. Oxygen. B. Gold. C. Iron. D. Osmium. The correct answer is A. Oxygen. 8. What is the capital of Australia? A. Canberra. B. Sydney. C. Melbourne. D. Perth. The correct answer is A. Canberra. 9. Which Indian city is called the Pink City? A. Jaipur. B. Udaipur. C. Jodhpur. D. Bikaner. The correct answer is A. Jaipur. 10. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is C. Gujarat. 11. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Bankim Chandra. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Nehru. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. 12. Which planet has the most moons? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Earth. D. Mercury. The correct answer is B. Saturn. 13. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Ambedkar. B. Gandhi. C. Nehru. D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is A. Ambedkar. 14. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Stapes. C. Radius. D. Tibia. The correct answer is B. Stapes. 15. Which country does the sport of sumo wrestling belong to? A. China. B. Mongolia. C. Korea. D. Japan. The correct answer is D. Japan. 16. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Humayun. The correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. 17. What is the scientific name of humans? A. Homo erectus. B. Homo sapien. C. Australopithecus. D. Hominid. The correct answer is B. Homo sapien. 18. Which Indian monument is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? A. Qutub Minar. B. Lotus Temple. C. India Gate. D. Akshardham Temple. The correct answer is A. Qutub Minar. 19. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Sea turtle. B. Dolphin. C. Shark. D. Whale. The correct answer is B. Dolphin. 20. Who was the first Indian in space? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Rakesh Sharma. C. Sunita Williams. D. Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is B. Rakesh Sharma.